Hey folks, it's Valentine's Day and I'm about to start the 40 days of sunshine. I'm super excited, but I'm also a little nervous. It's going to be pretty real. It's a challenge of epic proportions to eat exclusively solar cooked meals for the next 40 days. So that's no going to the grocery, that's no easy snacks on the sides, and no restaurants. Tonight I'm going to make a nice Valentine's Day meal. I'm going to do up the desserts and drinks, and then it's on. That's it. No more easy meals for me. I'm really excited to see what happens cooking just with the sun. Will it make my life easier? Will it make it more difficult? Will it be difficult to maintain a positive outlook? I'm not really sure exactly what's going to happen. I'm about to embark on a big road trip to kick off the trip. 40 days, nothing but sunshine. Stay tuned, and happy Valentine's.